Zooming in with our macro lens, we observe the squid's biological blueprints. Its transparent muscles contain unusual crystalline proteins that minimize light scattering. The digestive gland acts as a counter-illumination device, matching downwelling light. Research from the Monterey Bay Aquarium reveals these creatures can adjust their transparency based on depth, becoming 15% more opaque when ascending. This real-time camouflage surpasses any human-made stealth technology. Moving deeper, we encounter a dazzling spectacle, a school of glassfish, Salangidae. Each no larger than a human finger, their synchronized movements create liquid silver effects. Oceanographic studies show such schools can span over 1 kilometer in length. Their transparency serves dual purposes: camouflage from below and refraction of sunlight from above. Remarkably, CT scans reveal their bones contain silica nanoparticles that strengthen without compromising clarity. Evolution's genius becomes apparent as a dragonfish approaches. Despite its specialized red light vision, which penetrates deeper than other wavelengths, the glass creatures remain nearly invisible. Marine ecologists calculate this transparency provides 80% survival advantage against such predators. The dragonfish's confusion is visible as it swims through the school, detecting only faint disturbances in the water. This predator-prey dynamic has existed since the Mesozoic era. As night falls in the deep, determined by migrating creatures, our cameras capture rare bioluminescent displays. The glass squid emits patterned blue pulses, a language we're just beginning to decipher. Researchers at WHOI discovered these lights can vary in 17 distinct sequences, likely serving as mating signals. The light organs contain symbiotic bacteria that produce this glow through chemical reactions. Each pulse travels 50% farther in clear tissue than opaque flesh. Our presence inevitably causes disturbance. As the robotic arm extends to collect a water sample, the glassfish scatter violently. Recent studies in Nature Marine Science show such disruptions can last up to 3 hours, wasting precious energy. The submersible's thrusters also kick up sediment, temporarily reducing water clarity. While necessary for science, we're learning to minimize our footprint. Newer models now use ultra-quiet electric propulsion. A heartbreaking sight emerges. A glassfish with a torn fin struggles near a drifting microplastic fiber. Deep-sea trawling and plastic pollution now affect even these remote ecosystems. Research vessels have documented microplastics in 90% of sampled glassfish. The creature's transparent body makes the ingested particles clearly visible. Oceanographers warn such pollution could disrupt entire deep-sea food webs within decades. Yet nature perseveres. We observe juvenile glass squid exhibiting remarkable regeneration abilities. Marine biologists have documented they can regrow up to 15% of body mass within weeks. Their stem cells contain unique translucent proteins that accelerate healing. This discovery has inspired medical researchers developing clear surgical adhesives. The deep constantly reminds us of life's incredible adaptability, even facing anthropogenic threats. As our submersible begins its 8-hour ascent, the glass creatures fade back into their liquid universe. We're left with profound questions. How many more translucent marvels exist undiscovered? Can we protect them before it's too late? Recent UN agreements aim to protect 30% of oceans by 2030, but deep-sea species require specific safeguards. This dive reminds us that Earth's greatest wonders often remain unseen, but deserve our utmost respect and protection.